So what is ATF Form 4473? Well, I'll tell you all about it. Good afternoon and welcome to Lawyered Up. I'm Patrick McGinn. I'm a Florida trial attorney and former Miami-Dade police officer. I bring you Second Amendment legal news and firearms-related information from around Florida and around the world. I may even throw in a gun review every now and then. Anyway, I had a video that I posted. I'll put the card right there, that I posted yesterday about how to buy a gun on the internet. And I explained the whole process as it's my understanding of buying it and from my experience of buying it. And I just kind of breezed through, well, you go to the dealer, fill out 4473, and you do the background check and you can take possession of the firearm. I didn't really go into it any more than that. And I had somebody email me and ask me, what is an ATF Form 4473? Well, let's take a look at one. Okay, what you see on your screen now is the ATF 4473. It's a firearms transaction record. It's a form you have to fill out whenever there's a firearm being transferred from a dealer to an individual, in this particular case. The section you're concerned with is Section B, items 9 through 23. And we have items 9 through 21 on this page. It's everything below the blue line, what you see here. Whenever you go to a gun shop or a firearms dealer to buy a firearm, you're going to be required to fill out the 4473, which is the ATF Form 4473 Firearms Transaction Record. Anytime a firearm is transferred in this capacity, this form is filled out. So what you're concerned with here is everything. This is page 1. You're concerned with page 1 and page 2. It's 6 pages. It's multi-folded like a little booklet, but you're going to be concerned with pages 1 and 2, items 9 through 23. And I'll just go over them with you here quickly. Number 9 is your last name. Make sure you print legibly. Some of them, a lot of dealers still use write-on forms. Some of them use computerized forms, but if it's a write-on form, make sure you print very legibly. You put your on number 9 is your last name, your first name, and your middle name. Make sure this matches what is on your ID, such as your driver's license. Number 10, your current state of residence and address. Again, make sure this matches what is on your driver's license or your ID. If it doesn't, like if you moved 2 days before you went in, you're going to need to bring in something else like a lease, a utility bill, or something like that. Something that will satisfy the dealer's concern about your address. So you put in your address, your city, state you could abbreviate, standard 2-letter abbreviation, your zip code, and your county. Not your country, but your county. I've seen a lot of people put their country there. 11, U.S. city and state of birth. Once again, write the city out, comma, 2-letter abbreviation for the state or the foreign country. 12 is your height, 13 is your weight, 14 is your sex, 15 is your date of birth. 2 number, 4 number. Like an 01, 2001. Number 16 is your social security number. This is optional. All right, take a look at item number 17. Most likely this is not going to apply to you unless you have some type of appeal pending. And if you look on page 4 of 6 of the instructions, it tells you what that number is and how you come about it. But most likely, especially if this is your first firearm, you're not going to be concerned with item number 17. 18, ethnicity. 18B, your race. 19, country of citizenship. There's only 2 choices. Check U.S., United States of America, or if you were born in a foreign country, you would check foreign country and then write in what the foreign country is. All right, section 21. It's a multi-part yes or no answer to the questions here. 21A. Are you the actual transferee or buyer of the firearm listed on this form and any continuation sheet of ATF 5300.9A. So if you're the person, you're buying the gun for you, it's described on the form, the answer to that is going to be yes. 21B, are you under indictment or information in any court for a felony or related crime for which a judge could imprison you for more than 1 year, or are you a current member of the military who has been charged with a violation of the Uniform Code of Military Justice and whose charges have been referred to a general court-martial? It's a yes or no question. If you answer yes, you're going to be prohibited. 21C, have you ever been convicted in any court, including the military court, of a felony or any other crime in which a judge could have imprisoned you for more than 1 year, even if you received a shorter sentence, including probation? Once again, this is a prohibited person question. If you answer yes, you're going to be prohibited. 21D, are you a fugitive for justice? Same situation. If you answer yes, you're a prohibited person. 21E, are you an unlawful user of or addicted to marijuana or any antidepressant, stimulant, narcotic drug, or any other controlled substance? Once again, it's a yes or no question. If you answer yes, you're going to be prohibited. 21F, have you ever been adjudicated as mentally defective, or have you ever been committed to a mental institution? It's a yes or no question again. If you answer yes, you're prohibited. 21G, have you ever been discharged from the armed forces under a dishonorable conditions? Once again, yes or no. If you answer yes, you are prohibited. 21H, are you subject to a court order, including a military protection order issued by a military judge or magistrate, restraining you from harassing, stalking, or threatening your child or any intimate partner or child of such partner? Once again, it's a yes or no. If you answer yes, you will be prohibited. 21J, have you ever renounced your United States citizenship? Once again, it's yes or no. If you answer yes, you're going to be prohibited. 21.1.1, are you an alien who has been admitted to the United States under a non-immigrant visa? Yes or no. If you are such an alien, do you fall within any exceptions stated in the instructions? U.S. citizens, nationals, leave 21.1.2 blank. Make sure you pay attention on that section right there. And then the next section is your certification that everything is true and correct. Read that. And then 22 is your signature. And it should look like your signature on your driver's license or whatever ID you present. 23 is your certification date, the date you were signing it. So it's 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year. And then stop right there. Don't go on to section C. See the blue line? Stop right there. That's it. The gun store or FFL will complete section C for you. Pages 4 through 6 are all the instructions. If you get stuck and you don't know how to answer a particular question, you can read the instructions. And the employees at the gun shops are usually fairly helpful. They'll help you out. After you've done it a few times, it'll be you'll be an old hand at it, and you can whip through it until they change the form again. They haven't changed this one in a couple years. I think this revision is 2020, May 2020. So it's a couple years old. So you'll be good to go. If you fill out that form, you answer the questions properly, and you pass the background check, you'll be good to go, and you'll be able to take possession of your firearm. In Florida, if you have a concealed weapons permit, you can take immediate possession of it. If not, you have to wait the waiting period, which depending upon what county you're in is 3 to 5 days. So I hope that answers your question on the form ATF 4473. If you have any further questions, please leave them down in the comments below or let me know some other way. Email is usually good. Thank you for joining me here on Lawyered Up. I look forward to seeing you next time.